Hi everybody, it's Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here today with a Plan With Me Rewind with the Uncommon Plans Kit Cozy Winter, I think it is. And this one is super cute. It is kind of like fairy book or fairy tale inspired. It has like Once Upon a Time and like woodland creatures and books and just cozy chairs, and it's got really muted, pretty colors, pinks, greens, browns. And yeah, so I'm starting on my sidebar there and just putting down a couple of trackers. And this is for, I think, February. And, or it could be March. But what happened is when, this is the Paper House production planner that I use, and it doesn't have dates. And when I was putting my pages in, I didn't predate it, so I used the back side of this paper, or this week, so either I left it blank or I decorated it. So I went ahead and decorated it, but there will be no function to it. It's just so that I don't have plain pages in my memory planner. And I still like it. I like doing it. Like, one of my favorite things is like playing with stickers. So to me, the planners are essentially an adult sticker book, and I get to stick things down. So it serves its purpose. Like I said, I really enjoy doing it. And yeah, so I'm putting the date headers on. This is the digital kit that I use. Uncommon Plans now has a physical kit store, and she sent me some of her stickers, and they are beautiful. The paper is beautiful and the print quality is great. I printed these at home on matte paper. She's also in process of getting her digital store, so if you go to Etsy at Uncommon Plans, it's going to be her physical store. You can buy these already cut and printed, and she's getting together her Uncommon Plans digital, and that's what it's called. She has a few on there now, but she's still putting things on. So look for this kit. It's really cute. It's really muted. And I'm just putting down some boxes. Like I said, there's like no like function to this page, so I pretty much get to do whatever I want. So it's pretty liberating being able to just stick things down because they look nice and not have to worry about when you have an appointment or anything like that. So I did a couple like this for weeks that I actually did have memory planning to do, and it was pretty fun. It was kind of challenging to fit in everything that I needed after I put the stickers down, but it's still, I still made it work. And just because I write something down or I have a picture of it doesn't mean that I have to add it to my planner. So keeping that in mind, I just had fun with it because I had the stickers printed and I had time, and that's what I did. Some of them I didn't get to film because my camera wouldn't allow me, or like my camera overheated after 20 minutes, and then I couldn't, I just didn't want to sit there and wait 20 minutes for it to cool down. So I went ahead and did it off camera. And I have a lot to catch up on, so that won't really hinder me all that much, but I do plan on filming most of them. I did get a new camera on Cyber Weekend. Now I'm just dealing with the obvious craziness of life and all these animals that I've obtained in the last couple of years. I have a new kitten. My daughter got a new kitten, and the dogs and it don't play well together, so it is now in my scrapbook room. And every time I go to do something, either I have to put the dog outside and entertain the cat some other way. If I don't, then the cat is just all over my work area, so it's a little distracting, and I know a lot of people don't like seeing that. So anyways, I haven't really talked anything about what I'm doing, but like I said, it's just using up the stickers and trying to make it look pretty. I do have, after I get done with this layout, it's really nice to know that I have enough stickers left over to do another layout. Like, I don't have that big long banner that says Once Upon a Time, and I don't have the bottom washi and the date covers. Some of the things I used all the way, but the great thing about using a digital kit is that I can always just go and print off the one page, and I have enough boxes and enough washi, regular washi. I have another tracker that I can use at any time. And I have a big haul coming from Uncommon Plans physical as soon as it gets here. I got on Black Friday. And I have a big haul from Little Bandits, or Petite Petticoat Little Bandits, the digital haul that I already printed and cut most of them. So you'll be seeing that hopefully this weekend. It's been a little busy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you for my next plan with me. Please comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.